really, I think it's almost a requirement as a guitar player to learn how to play this song. Syncopate the eighth notes. Whoa! What did I just say? Sha la 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 ti da. Loog Nation! Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will. You're at Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and today we're working on Brown Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. Yeah, Beat, it is the song to learn on guitar, or Loog. Hey everyone, if you haven't met Beat before, Beat is here. Beat loves to teach Loog and to help us learn Loog together. Say hey, Beat. Okay, we've got 4 chords we're going to learn, and later today I'm going to show you a couple of alternate chords and alternate strumming so you can be even more advanced. But today we're going to start with beginner strumming and beginner chords. Cool. We have our G chord, our C chord, our D chord, and our E minor. Playing a G. Fairly easy. It's your third finger on the first string, 3rd fret. Think of it this way, G on 3. 3rd fret, 3. Our C is the first finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. First finger. Make sure you're really chomping down on that string so you can hear the first string ring out without pressing down on it. An error that most people make is they're lazy with their hands. They let them lay down and you get sounds like this. That's because the pad of your finger is laying down on the first string. Watch out for that. E minor, like the easiest chord on the Loog. You're not touching anything. You're just strumming a chord. That's great. Play that chord a lot. It's fun. All right, and then we have a D. Our D is all 3 fingers, 1, 2, and 3. We're going to do a peace sign, and we're going to put them on the outer strings, 2nd fret. We've got to make our 3rd finger, our ring finger, reach over the top of the 1st string and press down on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. There we go. That's our D chord. Here we go. We've got our 4 chords. Now let's go into our progression. That's right, progression. The order in which the chords show up in the song, right? Some people also call it a cadence. Nice. Thanks, Pete. So these are musical terms. We're going to learn them right now. Here we go. Progression, cadence. Yes, progression, cadence. Awesome. We're going to play a G, a C, a G, and a D. There we go. G, C, G, D. Hey, this is a great practice point. Yay, practice time. We're going to practice these 4 chords over and over again to get really good at changing them on the beat. Yes, I did say beat. I didn't mean you beat, but I did say beat. G, C, G, D. 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 There's your practice for the day. It's really helpful to learn how to change the chords in tempo. There's another music term, tempo, meaning in time or the rhythm. It also means the pace of the song, how fast or slow we're playing it. Let's jump into the strumming. Here's strumming number 1. This is your basic strumming number 1. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So what I'm doing right now is I'm muting the strings. I'm just laying my fingers on the strings and I'm working and focusing on my strum. Down, down, up, down, up, down. I like to do this so I know where to put my attention, right? I'm going to put my attention on my strumming hand. So I'm just letting my fretting hand just lay on the strings. I'm not even pressing very hard. I'm barely pressing at all. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Cool. And that would sound like this in the progression. G, C, G, D. Again, G, C, G, D. Yeah! All right, there's your strumming level 1. Level 2! We're going to strum and we're going to syncopate the eighth notes. Whoa! What did I just say? Syncopate or syncopation. Yeah, another word. Man, there's a lot of music vocabulary today. Oh well, it's good to learn it now. Okay. We're going to go down, down, up, up, down. Ooh. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Okay, do you see what I'm doing there? Do you see what beat is showing us? We're skipping over, we're missing the second beat. The third beat. Down, down, up, up, down. Yeah, the third beat. We're missing the third beat. Thanks, Pete. Down, down, up, down. I'm going to slow it down. Down, down, up, miss, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Miss. So, we have or right, beat. I didn't talk about the E minor. When does that show up? That's a different part of the song. We're getting out of the verse and getting into the chorus. The very end of the verse, we have played slipping and a sliding all along the waterfall with you, my brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. Do you remember when we used to sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-da? Just like that. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-ti-da. Okay, did you see what happened there? I played the D and held it on the do you remember when we used to sing. I believe you're holding it 3 times. And then we get into the chorus. And notice that the chorus is exactly the same as the verse, progression, and strumming. Boom. You nailed it. All right, let's do a little play along together, shall we? I'm going to take the second verse of the song into the chorus, just so we can put everything together. Note that the song plays 2 verses before we get to the chorus, but you know what? Y'all don't want to watch me perform that the whole time, do you? I know you do, Beat, but I don't think they do. Okay. Thanks for the vote of confidence. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever happened? Tuesdays and slow, slow. Going down to the old mine with the transistor radio. Standing in the sunlight laughing, hiding high rainbow walls, slipping and sliding all along the waterfall with you, my brown-eyed girl. You, my how'd that go for you? Wow, that's a fun song to play, and it's got a cool couple of little sections there that make it just tricky enough to be like, oh, this is why this song was a smash hit. An alternate way to play the D is a different voicing, or kind of a bluesy sounding D, which is a D7. So that D7 is almost like a mirror image, right? I'm doing a triangle. Now it's these two middle fingers are playing the outer string second fret, so second finger and third finger. And I'm using my first finger like the C chord. It's the second string, first fret. Hey, here's an even more advanced strum. Here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and. So this section, adding the D7 and this strum, gives us an even more advanced version of Brown Eyed Girl. One that I like to play when I'm jamming out or doing campfire songs or playing a gig. It's great. Here's why that most advanced strum is so tricky. When you're playing down, down, up, down, up, you only have from the and of 4 to the 1 to change the chord, which means that your change time is cut in half. You have a very small window to nail that chord change. So that's why I call it like an advanced strum. This makes Brown Eyed Girl even more fun to play for more advanced players, and it's always fun to play on the Loog. Yeah. All right, everyone. We're here every Thursday with a new video and new lesson. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know exactly what video we're launching every Thursday here at Loog Nation. Yeah, I'm having a blast. We'll see you next time.